Imagine a world where humans could breathe underwater. Picture yourself diving into the ocean without the need for heavy scuba gear or oxygen tanks. A world where we could explore the depths of the ocean as easily as we walk on land. We could venture into the darkest trenches and discover new marine species. This incredible ability, once the stuff of myths and legends, could become a reality. Imagine cities beneath the waves, bustling with life and advanced technology. What if we could swim alongside dolphins, explore coral reefs up close, and uncover the secrets hidden beneath the waves? The underwater world would be our playground. The ocean, covering over 70% of our planet, would no longer be a barrier but a new frontier full of possibilities. We could map the uncharted territories of the deep sea. We could build underwater cities, cultivate food in the ocean depths, and develop entirely new ways of living. Our homes could be surrounded by vibrant marine life. This transformation would impact every aspect of our lives, from how we work and play to our relationship with the environment. We would become true stewards of the ocean. The idea of humans breathing underwater may seem like science fiction, but the natural world offers inspiration. Nature has already perfected this ability. Fish, with their gills, have been breathing underwater for millions of years. They navigate their aquatic world with ease and grace. By understanding the science behind this natural adaptation, we can begin to imagine a future where humans join them in their watery realm. The possibilities are endless. How could humans, who evolved to breathe air, survive in a world of water? This question has fascinated scientists and explorers for generations, pushing the boundaries of what we know about human biology and our potential for adaptation. The answer might lie in our genes. Our DNA holds secrets from our evolutionary past, and some scientists believe that these secrets could unlock new possibilities for underwater living. Scientists believe that the potential for underwater breathing could be hidden within our DNA, dormant remnants of our evolutionary past. By studying ancient fish fossils and the genetic makeup of marine creatures, researchers are uncovering clues about how we might one day breathe underwater. By activating these genes, we might be able to develop gills, organs that extract oxygen from water. This would be a revolutionary step, allowing humans to explore the depths of the oceans like never before. Gills work by maximizing the surface area for oxygen absorption. The intricate structure of gills allows for efficient gas exchange, a process that is vital for underwater survival. Tiny blood vessels in gills extract dissolved oxygen from water and release carbon dioxide. This delicate balance is what keeps aquatic life thriving beneath the waves. Replicating this process in humans would be a complex feat of genetic engineering, but the potential benefits are enormous. Imagine a world where humans could live and work underwater for extended periods without the need for bulky equipment. Another possibility lies in artificial gills, devices that mimic the function of natural gills. These innovative devices could revolutionize underwater exploration and open up new frontiers for human activity. These devices would extract oxygen from water, allowing humans to breathe without needing to surface for air. This technology could transform underwater missions, making them safer and more efficient. While still in the early stages of development, artificial gills hold great promise for our underwater future. As research progresses, we may one day see a world where humans can truly live and thrive beneath the waves. Imagine living in an underwater city, a self-sustaining habitat beneath the waves. Buildings would be designed to withstand water pressure, constructed from strong, transparent materials that allow sunlight to filter through. These structures could be anchored to the seabed or float on the ocean's surface, connected to the land by underwater tunnels or floating platforms. Transportation would take on a whole new meaning. Submersible vehicles would replace cars, navigating through underwater streets and highways. Public transportation could consist of underwater trains or pods, whisking people to their destinations with speed and efficiency. Life in these underwater cities would be different, but no less fulfilling. We would need to adapt to new environments, learn new ways of living, and develop a deeper understanding of the ocean and its inhabitants. The ability to breathe underwater would revolutionize our relationship with the ocean. Exploration and research would reach unprecedented depths, allowing us to unlock the secrets of the deep sea. Scientists could study marine life in its natural habitat, gaining a deeper understanding of this vast and complex ecosystem. The mysteries of the ocean floor, long hidden from our view, would be revealed. We could uncover shipwrecks lost to time, explore underwater volcanoes and trenches, and discover new species of marine life. This knowledge would not only satisfy our curiosity but also help us protect and preserve our planet's most valuable resource. Imagine scuba diving without the need for bulky equipment, exploring coral reefs and swimming alongside marine creatures. Recreational activities would take on a whole new dimension, bringing us closer to the beauty and wonder of the underwater world. Section 5. The future of food, underwater agriculture and aquaculture. The ability to breathe underwater would open up new possibilities for food production. Underwater agriculture, growing crops in underwater farms, could help alleviate global food shortages. These farms would utilize the ocean's vast resources, growing crops that are resistant to salinity and thrive in underwater conditions. Aquaculture, the farming of fish and other aquatic animals, would also undergo a significant transformation. Underwater farmers could tend to fish populations more effectively, creating a sustainable source of protein for a growing global population. This new form of food production would reduce our reliance on land-based agriculture and alleviate pressure on terrestrial ecosystems. Imagine enjoying fresh seafood harvested directly from underwater farms, a sustainable and delicious source of nutrition. This new era of food production would not only transform our diets but also create new industries and job opportunities. Section 6. The environmental impact, a double-edged sword. The ability to breathe underwater would have a profound impact on the environment, both positive and negative. On the one hand, it could foster a deeper appreciation for the ocean and its importance to our planet's health. We might become more conscious of pollution, overfishing, and other threats to marine life. On the other hand, our presence in the underwater world could have unintended consequences. Pollution from underwater cities, transportation, and industries could damage delicate ecosystems. The increased human presence could disrupt marine life, leading to habitat loss and species decline. Finding a balance between exploration and conservation would be crucial. We would need to develop strict regulations and sustainable practices to ensure that our underwater endeavors do not come at the expense of the ocean's health. Section 7. Underwater society, communication, transportation, and culture. Living underwater would require us to develop new forms of communication, transportation, and even culture. Sign language, already used by divers, could become a primary mode of communication, supplemented by underwater radios and other technological advancements. Underwater vehicles, ranging from small personal submersibles to large underwater transportation systems, would become commonplace. These vehicles would need to be energy efficient and designed to minimize their impact on the marine environment. As we adapt to life underwater, our culture would inevitably evolve. New art forms, music, and literature inspired by the underwater world would emerge, reflecting our changing relationship with the ocean. Underwater sports and recreational activities would bring people together, fostering a sense of community and shared experience. Section 8. A world transformed. Embracing the possibilities and challenges. The ability to breathe underwater would be a transformative event in human history, opening up a realm of possibilities and challenges. It would revolutionize the way we interact with our planet, offering new opportunities for exploration, habitation, and resource management. We would need to approach this new frontier with caution and respect, ensuring that our actions benefit both humanity and the ocean. This means developing sustainable practices and technologies that protect marine life and ecosystems. Imagine a future where humans live in harmony with the ocean, exploring its depths, harvesting its resources sustainably, and protecting its fragile ecosystems. This vision includes underwater cities, schools, and workplaces, all designed to coexist with marine life. This future, while still a distant possibility, is an inspiring vision of what we could achieve if we dare to dream big and work together to overcome the challenges that lie ahead. It requires innovation, collaboration, and a deep commitment to environmental stewardship. The question is not whether we can breathe underwater but how this incredible ability will shape our future. Will it lead to new scientific discoveries or perhaps even new forms of art and culture inspired by the ocean? Will we rise to the occasion and become responsible stewards of the ocean, or will our actions lead to its destruction? The choices we make will have lasting impacts on the health of our planet. The answer lies in our hands, and the choices we make today will determine the fate of our underwater tomorrow. It is up to us to ensure that this future is one of harmony and sustainability. Like, share, and subscribe to Hidden Wonders for more videos on the incredible possibilities of our world.